Hello everyone, I am Monica. In this video, we will discuss about conditional rendering in React. Okay, first of all, coming to what is conditional rendering. Conditional rendering means showing different content based on condition like user actions, state values, or props. Only show, for example, where we use them means only show this part if something is true, otherwise show something else or nothing at all. Okay, in such kind of scenarios we use conditional rendering, and now we will see why it is important. Okay, why it is important means because real apps are dynamic. We already know that we are creating nowadays all apps are dynamic. Okay, we don't always show the same UI interface to everyone. Okay, for that kind of, for example, a logged in user should see a welcome message, or a guest should see a login form, or if there is no data, show a message like data not found, like that. Based on the conditions you want to display specified content in such scenarios, you need to use the conditional rendering. Okay, in React we have mainly three types of three type means three ways to do conditional rendering. Okay, now coming to first one. This is normal if else statements. I think we already familiar with this means in JavaScript we used if else statement. Okay, this is the first one. Now second one is ternary. Ternary operator means question mark and then column. Second one is this, and third one is logical and. These are the three ways to use the conditional rendering. Okay, let's discuss one by one. First, this is used before JSX. Okay, after the means before JSX means within the not within the JSX. Used when the logic is complex. Okay, use cases mainly used when logic is complex. For complex logics, we need to use if else statement. If you want to refund, if you want to return different UAs, that is the most complex thing. Okay, for that kind of things, you need to use if else statements. Okay, now coming to ternary, how to use this means it should use inside JSX. We will see what is the inside JSX and outside the JSX in the practical part. Okay. Now, this scenario is mainly useful when you want to switch between two conditions. Okay, you want to switch between two outcomes. Okay, between two outcomes. This is best for you want to switch between two outcomes. Okay, means you can use if this part is true, you can execute this. Otherwise, execute after the column content. Okay, like this it is working. And next coming to logical and it is also used inside the JSX, used when you want to show one thing only if condition is true, otherwise show nothing. Means what is the main use case of this means what is that means when you want to show one thing, that is one thing. Okay, you want to show one thing only if one condition is true. Otherwise, you did not need to do anything. Okay, in such conditions, you need to means you have to use logical and. Okay, you can use logical and in this kind of such case scenarios. Like one thing only, for example, if the user should pass the exam, show success. Otherwise, show nothing. Okay, in such kind of scenarios, you can use logical and operator. Okay, now let's discuss the syntaxes of one by one. Now coming to syntax of if else. Syntax. What is the syntax of if else means? If, after if, you need to write condition. Okay, after this, whatever you want to return, you can return here. Content to be returned. Okay, and then else. Else also same. Here return else content. Okay, this is the syntax of if else conditional rendering. This is the syntax of if else conditional rendering. Now we will move for the ternary. Okay, ternary. What is the syntax of ternary means? Within the curly braces, syntax within the curly braces. This is the condition. Okay, this is the condition. After that, you need to place one question mark. After that, true output. Okay, true case output. Okay, here you need to place true case output and here false case output. For better understanding, I'm writing taking like this. Okay, here this is the condition you want to check for the, and this is the output one for condition true. Otherwise, this is the false condition output. We already discussed that when you want to switch between two outcomes, in such cases you can use this ternary operator. Okay, now we will go for the syntax of logical and. How it will works means first we need to specify condition here. After that, logical and operator. Then you need to display the output, whatever outcome you want to, sorry, you want to display. Okay, this is the logical and nothing is there. Okay, this is the how what are the types or ways of conditional rendering and their usage scenarios on their syntaxes. Now we will see them with an example. Okay, and now this is my app. In this, I am taking the function component, that is function. Within that function, I am taking one example like this. Okay, here we are using multiple tags so that we need to wrap them within the fragments. Okay, now H2. I'm taking one H2 element. Within that, if else example. Okay, in the if else example, what I'm doing is I'm calling one custom like tag, that is if example. Okay, this is the custom tag I am using here. That is a function name that we create in this file only later. Okay, now I am taking another h2. Okay, in that I am writing ternary example. Okay, for this I am taking another version, that is ternary example. Okay, this is my function component for ternary rendering, and this is for logical and. Okay, and here I am taking logical and as my functional component. Okay, this is the thing I want to do here. Okay, next I am outside of the function app. I am taking the functions, components of above one function. What is the first function component name? If example is my functional component name. Okay, next within this, I am taking one thing, that is first I am taking one variable here that contains an is logged in. Okay, this is the variable. Here I am making it as true. This value as true. I am taking it this value as true. Okay, within the return, what you need to return means something else, whatever you want to display the content. But we already discussed that for the case of if else statement, you need not to be, means you cannot to be used it within the JSX, so that if is logged in, then what I want to do is return within one paragraph tag, you are logged in. Okay. Now else. Now coming to else part, what I want to show is kindly log in like that messages. Okay, I am taking one paragraph tag here. Please log in. Okay, for if else I am taking like this. This is the process how the if else part will be working. Now coming to another functional component I am taking. Sorry. Function. Okay, what is the next function we are used? Ternary example is our function. Okay, within that function, what I am doing is I am taking one variable named is morning is my variable name. And setting it as false first initially. Okay. Now, how to use this means I already told you that you can use ternary operator within JSX also. So I am writing this within written. Okay, I am taking one paragraph tag here. Within that paragraph, what is the condition here is morning is our condition here. After the condition, what we need to place? Okay, this is the here is that is the morning. I am want to display the message good morning, or else I want to display the message good evening. Okay, this is the thing I want to do with the ternary example. Okay, now we will move for the another functional component that deals with the logical and. Okay, logical and is our functional component name os component name. Okay, now in this we already Know that logical and operator also used within JSX. Okay, show message. I am taking one variable named show message. Within that, I am taking true. Okay, next I want to return one thing, that is what we need to do. First, I am taking one paragraph tag. Within that paragraph, I am showing that show message. This is my condition. Next, we need to use logical AND operator. Then, what I want to do, and this is our complete example of our conditional rendering. Now we will see the output by running it once. Okay, now what is the command for running? npm start. It is running. Let's wait for the server. The server is starting now. Yeah, this is our local host. Click this. You can observe that this is the if else, this is the example of our output. Let's see the by changing the condition, means variable values. Okay, here for this function, I am placing you are logged in is displaying currently in the browser, but I am making this true to false. Let's see what happens. Yeah, here that is logged in variable is set to false. Then it is showing please logging. Okay, means our if else example is working perfectly. Now go to ternary operator. Here false. False means what the output good evening. Let's check for this. Yeah, here it is displaying good evening as the message. Okay, now I want to set this false to true. It needs to display the good morning. Yeah, it is displaying good morning as the output. Okay, this means our ternary example also working perfectly. Now coming to this logical and, you need to use the one element here within that curly braces. You need to use the condition, then operator, and then the message you want to display. Here show message true means this message is shown because we are making that show message to true. Now I am making it to false. Let's see the output. It does not display anything. Okay, this is the thing how the things are happening in conditional rendering. We have mainly three ways. One is if else example, ternary, and then logical and. Okay, we also implemented all these three with the simple example also. This is the simple example for the if else, ternary, and the logical and. And this is the all about the conditional rendering in our React. Okay, thank you.